Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000, smash up the thumbs up button. I'm here with Crypto Slavic.
Yes, I searched you. I told in my video, I thought your balls are squeezed between the elevator doors and you are stuck in there. I searched for you.
Yesterday I was down 1,000, Slavic was up 1,000. We have this bet that I think Bitcoin is bottomed at 26,500. He says it's going down lower. We've got a $1,000 bet. Even though yesterday my trade is now in the positive 300 something, his trade lost 1,000.
No, my trade is in positive. I'm still $400 in positive.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, still.
And we're betting that I've actually been buying a few $100,000 worth of Bitcoin down here, of BNB. And I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you what I think is happening in the markets. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Oh, actually, I want to give you some advice as well. Don't get any debt. This is something someone was asking me on Twitter and stuff like this. Don't get any debt. Don't have credit card debt. This is something that I would really want to teach you. When I was young, by the time I finished high school, my father had got put on my credit cards and shit about $100,000 worth of debt. So I had to pay off his fucking debt when I finished high school. And what I learned is don't get credit card debt. It's around 20%. You're paying 20% interest. That means to make 20% per year I can do it in crypto, we can do it. I make thousands of percent per year, but most of the best investors in the world, 20% per year per annum consistently is one of the best investors in the world. So if you get a credit card debt and you have 20% interest per year, say you have $10,000 of debt, you're getting $2,000 interest per year. If you have $100,000 of debt, you're getting $20,000 of interest, not the principal. So just to pay the interest, you'd need to pay $20,000 per year. And this puts people in a big trap. You don't want to have that. You want to have a cap. You want to be the one that's giving out the money for interest. You don't want to be the one getting the money and paying interest. That's the big scam. Don't ever get credit card debt. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in by Warren Buffett. I've been watching a lot of his. Warren Buffett is a genius, people. I recommend just going on YouTube, typing Warren Buffett and learning from this guy that's been a billionaire since I was in my father's balls. We're watching Bitcoin move 64,000, 29,000, 67,000. This is over the last few months. Bitcoin had a big breakdown here, and this big drop that broke the previous support at 28,000 was because when Luna USD crashed. However, on the weekly, the stochastic is very oversold now, and that's a good thing. That means the time to be selling, in my opinion, was here when the stochastic was very overbought. That's when I sold on November 11th, or here in April 4th when it was very overbought and turned to head down. That's the time to be selling. Time to be buying is down here, like it was in June when we bottomed in June 2021 at 29K, or here when it bottomed on the 20th of December last year when it went from 30K to 44K, and now here where it's bottomed down. So I'm buying Bitcoin here. Also, same with the squeeze mob. We went from red to gray, and we're starting to go to the green. RSI now is also very oversold and trying to turn to head up. So on the weekly, it's actually looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Now we're going to go close up. Let's go straight into the 4 hourly and see what's going to be happening for the next day. Bitcoin having a huge pump right now, which is beautiful because I'm currently long. RSI is heading up, got more to move. Stochastic turning to head up, a lot more to move. Squeeze mob turning towards the green side. And look at this. If you're doubting technical analysis, this is why you need to learn it in the master course. You can clearly see how technical analysis works. This was the price of Bitcoin for the last few days, the last week. And you can see here, look at this, how it exactly moved up this trend line. And this trend line, this white line, I drew about a week ago or about 4 days ago, and you can see how the last few days it's been climbing on this trend line. That's how powerful technical analysis. The crypto guru bot is still showing a red sell. It hasn't flipped to a buy. BPVR, the big area of resistance for Bitcoin, is up here on this red line. 30,000 is where we're going to have big resistance. Bitcoin indicator bot still showing a sell. It hasn't fired a buy either. EMA ribbons, we're going into the EMA ribbons, but usually whenever we go into the EMA ribbons we get rejected. So let's see if this time it can actually break through, and when it does break through, that would be bullish for Bitcoin. On the hourly, the stochastic is overbought now. We're at that big resistance right now at the 30K mark. It's a strong resistance for Bitcoin, and let's see what happens here. Is this a fake out? Why this is important is because you can see that this was a strong resistance, this green line, this trend line. As I teach you in the master course, I teach you how to draw resistance. So Bitcoin is building pressure here on in this kind of ascending triangle. And that's usually a bearish sign that breaks to the downside. But right now it's trying to break through. So let's see if it can break through. If it can break above 30,000, then we can be a bit more bullish. But again, as I've been saying for the last few weeks, Bitcoin has just been moving between this channel, 28,500, 31,500, 28,500, 31,000, 28,000, everyone panicking, oh no, Bitcoin's fucked. Back up, 30,000. Coming back down, everyone panicking, 28,500, going back up. It's just in this channel between these two blue lines. Until the channel breaks, we don't panic. We assume that Bitcoin is going to 31,000, hitting the top of the channel and then getting rejected, coming at 28,500 until it breaks. Now I'm going to show you my trades, and then I'll show you where I think would be the best to open trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pinned comment, you can go down below and sign up to Bybit. You get $4,600 worth of sign up bonuses when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. And you can use NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. And I'm going to show you in my Bybit account, I have 193,900, so 194,000 US dollars. It's up about $6,000 from yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got BUSD, 49,000 USD. I've got $42,000 of BIT. I've got 7% CRV up, $36,000 of CRV, 1 Bitcoin in here, and I've got a Bitcoin trade open which is up 8.5%, $425, which is beautiful. It's a $25,000 Bitcoin trade. Every time Bitcoin comes down to 28,500, the bottom of the channel, I'm going to add more to this position. I'm going to show you what's in my Binance account. In here I have around 390,000 USD. I actually sent payment of $20,000, so it's almost made $10,000. It's up 4,400 yesterday, and it's up around $5,000 today. So it's funny because I had $400,000 in here. I sent someone $20,000, so I had 380,000. Now I'm back to 390,000. So that's what's cool with crypto. If you invest it the right way, it actually grows quicker than you can. It's like quite amazing. In here, I've got 137,000 BUSD. I've got Bitcoin, $119,000 of Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin, which is up quite a bit today, 2.2%. I've got BNB, which I bought $80,000 worth, now 101,000. So I made $21,000 on this BNB, up 5% today, which is beautiful. I've also got a big BNB trade at 260, but it doesn't look like it's going back down there to actually be buying that BNB. And I'm going to set another buy order for Bitcoin at this support. If it comes down again, I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin. I'll buy another 2 Bitcoin at where I told you, 28,500, the bottom of the channel. If Bitcoin comes down here, it'll add more. But let's see, maybe Bitcoin goes back, starts going on a mega run. So I've got in here, I need to do it of BUSD. So Bitcoin, BUSD, BTC, BUSD, BTC. I'm going to buy 28,500. I'm going to buy another 1 Bitcoin down there. Buy Bitcoin. That will just set the order, and that order will sit there in case Bitcoin goes down to 28,500. Again, if you want to trade using this link down below, Bybit 4,600 bonus. I'm going to show you where I would open trades now. But it could, my theory is that Bitcoin actually bottomed here at that 28,500 here, down here, 26,500. Why do I think it bottomed? Because this big drop was at the same time that USDT destabilized. UST went from a dollar peg to destroyed. Luna got destroyed. Luna sold 80,000 Bitcoin, which is billions of dollars of Bitcoin, 3-point-something billion they sold. So all of that happened at one time, and we only came down to 26,500. That's why I think we actually bottomed there, and I've been accumulating Bitcoin down here. I would have actually liked to buy more Bitcoin, but again, I still think Bitcoin is in this channel until it breaks this channel. So I'll get another chance when it comes down to 28,500, unless it breaks through that 31,000. If you haven't opened trades, where I'd be opening a trade right now, I'd be going long on Bitcoin, stop loss below that blue support line, and the target, the top of this channel. Actually, I would open, if I was doing a very short-term trade, I would make the stop loss just below where we're sitting right now and take profit at the top of the channel. So I'm risking $455 to make $1,700 with unleveraged. 10x leverage will be $17,000 of profits. It's a 3.78 ratio trade. Really nice risk to reward. Opening the trade, actually, I need to open it here because Bitcoin is pumping right now, almost at 30,000. Awesome. It's going up as I'm making this video. So opening the trade at 29,950, take stop loss at 29,138, and take profit at the top of the channel, 31,300. This is where I'll be opening the trade. Bitcoin pumping. I'm going to make a video against trading on Bybit to get that bonus, $4,100 of bonuses. Those are my trades. I'm also going to show you some other things. This is Luna founder. They're going to be releasing the new Luna now. He's talking about the new Luna and how they're going to fork Luna. So all the original Luna will be called now Luna Classic. So if you had Luna before, you'll be called Luna Classic, and you'll be getting a portion of the new Luna that they're going to release. The voting has already taken place, and most likely that vote is going through, so you're going to be getting the new Luna. I also minted a Magicraft NFT. This is what it's 0.75 Bitcoin. You can buy them on magicraft.io. It's part of the play to earn game. They will only be revealed after the public mint finishes. Inside the NFTs, there's also one Tesla hidden within the NFTs. Among the 9,999 NFTs, there's a Tesla hidden within it. One of the NFT has a Tesla. This is some view of the game. This is the UI of the game coming to life. This is the Magicraft team building amazing smart stuff. We've got smart contract developers here, COO, QA engineer, HR, amazing team of people building this. And this is another for the Tesla. So that's what's happening in the markets. Those are my thoughts on the markets. I think we bottomed here and I've been accumulating Bitcoin. If it comes down, I'll be buying more. My maximum payment, I believe, is 19K. But again, I think we bottomed at 26,500. That's what I think is happening in the markets. Let's see who's going to be right, me or Slavic. And remember, we were betting on bags or something before, no?
On bags?
Remember our bets before were on buying like Louis Vuitton. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up thumbs up, and this is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.